Hi guys, Andy here. Let's have a look at the Dow Jones futures for Thursday, November 2nd. For the record, today is Wednesday, November 1st. Time is around 8:30 p.m. GMT. So we had our Fed meeting. We have a nice nice rallies across the markets. So now let's have a look what we see here in the Dow Jones. First of all, this wave 4 area does not look respected. So we went out of the wave 4 area. So it becomes a bit unlikely that this is still a wave 4. It also looks like another cycle here. It looks like it has nothing to do anymore with this. So if we still want to see 5 waves in this, I believe we have to do it like this, that this was our wave 3, this our wave 4, and then here our fifth wave, wave 5 of 5, which is then the end of wave A. I do not really like this count, mainly because for me this is ending way too strong as a fifth wave. A fifth wave should end with divergence compared to your third wave, so we do not have divergence on the here on the 1 hour. We also do not have divergence here on the 4 hour. And then, here this final wave, I don't know, but this looks like 3 waves to me. 1, 2, 3. Like, it simply looks like our fourth wave is not here in this structure. But okay, if we want to label the higher time frame here as 5 waves, I believe this has to be our fifth wave, so wave 5 of 5 of wave A, and that could mean that we start a B wave from here in the scenario that we are having 5 waves down. Now, there is still another possibility, and that's why I did not take off this scenario from my charts, because I believe that, it could still play out. And actually, now I start to favor it. It's indicated in red, but it looks like we had a wave W down right here, wave X up like this. And so now I believe we are working on this wave Y here. So we had wave W, wave X up, and now working on the wave Y. And then what could be is that this wave Y is unfolding as another WXY structure, as indicated right here. Then we had the wave W so far in 3, 1, 2, 3, WXY. And now we might be working on this wave X. So now we are in the wave X area, as you can see. And if we have a closer look here on the 1 hour with what we currently have, I would actually label it as an ABC, like this. Like I told you in my, I believe it was in my yesterday's video or the day before, I see an impulse in this here, 5 waves up, ending with divergence. It's especially clear here in the 15-minute chart, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this. Then I would call here for a shallow wave B, and here actually we could be working, and even we could be working on this wave C, or even already finishing this wave C. So normally, like based on the principle of equal legs, we would expect our wave C to go here into this area, So if we take the length of the wave 1, the length of the wave B, then our wave C should go here into this area like this. But if we look here, yeah, at this structure, it could actually be that we already have 5 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here the 5th wave ending with divergence for now. So it could be that our wave C is in right here, and that this was our wave X, and that we start to turn down again from here. That's a possibility. Of course, we could see more as a wave C, and then this could be, for instance, the wave 1 of the wave C. Then we should have kind of a pullback as a wave 2, but not taking out this low. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe reaching here the target area for a wave for the wave C. That could also be, but it looks, the structure that we have here looks looks ending, I would say, with the data we have now. We have divergence here, we have 5 waves now. Let's have a look at the 15-minute if we see something more there. So this could be 1, 2. Yeah, actually it could also be still the wave 3, and that this is or 3 of 3. That's also a possibility. So that we have, like, let me label it. No, I'm sorry, it should be like this, of course. So this is the 1, this is the 2, and then like 1, 2, 3, 4, and this here is just the wave 3, and then still a 4th and a 5th wave going into this area. That would be a possibility indeed. Yeah, let's put it like this. Okay, that's my analysis for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work, and I see you tomorrow for another video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.